In today's video, let me show you how to use the comment feature inside of SoundCloud. Unlike other platforms, SoundCloud does have a comment feature that lets you interact with other people as well as interact with the song and comment on it. So you just need to open up a song that you want to comment on, and right here on the top you exactly have the section of adding in your comment. Now apart from this, you can also drag this waveform and then exactly place it wherever you want to comment as well, and then add in your comment as well. Once you're done that, click on the arrow, which is the submit option, and your comment will be sent. You also will be able to view other people's comment right here inside of the comment section. If you want to remove some comments that you made, you can click on the trash can icon. For each of the tracks that are visible, you'll be able to see the exact number of comments that other people have made as well. If you visit the profile of the song, you can take a look at all of the comments that are now being made. So just like a social media platform, you'll be able to make comments and interact with this particular song. So if this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.